Hi and welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this quick video, I will show you how to upload your own branded PDF report header in OnceHub. This is especially useful when you are sharing reports with customers or external stakeholders and want everything to look professional and on brand. So let's jump in. Why customize your report header? So OnceHub reports can be shared externally. For example, when a customer needs a scheduling report to meet with multiple providers, by default, OnceHub includes its own header in PDF reports. But if you would rather showcase your logo and branding, you can easily replace it with a custom header, and I'll show you exactly how. So first log into your OnceHub account and click the booking pages icon on the left hand side. In the booking page scheduling setup, hover your mouse to the extreme left and select reports. In the report section, you can select any of your preferred report, and then you will see the option three dots that says the report menu. You will need to click on that and select customize PDF report header. On the new pop-up, you will need to select a file that is saved on your device. So while selecting a file, the recommended size is 840 pixel wide by 70 pixel high for best results. Once your file is selected, click open and hit save. Important note, your custom header will appear only in PDF reports. So to see it action, simply click the PDF and your PDF report will be downloaded. To see this, simply go to your downloads and open your report. You will see the updated logo. And there you have it. A simple way to add your own branding to OnceHub PDF reports and create more polished experience for your customers. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.